24/7 teachers training. Our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 10. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable and engaging so that the students put in their best to learn. Let's start with the introduction to number 10. Students should be able to read, write and represent number 10. Count number 10. Generate a set equal to number 10. Write number 10. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 10. Get them ready for the activity. Write number 10 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 10. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 10 fish. 10 fish. 10 fish. 10 fish. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children. Number 10, we have reached the end. Number 10, we have reached the end. Put a 1 by a 0 and count again. Put a 1 by a 0 and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write number 10. Write number 10 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and then 0 to make 10. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 10. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 10 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask children to recognize 10. Reinforcement worksheet of number 10 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.